Hi, welcome to Matchmaster for the Best. Today, we are going to talk to you about the 05MM-WP70 wall plate for cable management. The WP70 comes pre-assembled with fold-out locking clips on the side of the plate pre-installed, a brush cover at the front for easy cable pass-through, and a neat and tidy Slimline plate cover. The WP70 features a 50 by 20 mm opening to allow many cable types and molded cable ends to easily pass through, and has been designed so you do not require any additional mounting accessories due to the use of the floating clips for securing to the wall sheet. Let's take you through the installation of the unit. It's a very simple one-piece design. All the tools you will need to set this up are Phillips head screwdriver, pencil, wall plate level, and a wall sheet cutting tool. Okay, let's get started. The wall cutout diameter for the WP70 is 115 mm wide by 55 mm high, so we will need to use a suitable cutting tool to create an opening in the wall for the WP70 to be installed. Once we have selected our location for the WP70, we need to mark out on the wall the installation location. You can use the supplied cutout template to trace around, then ensure the horizontal trace lines are level. Check the location using a stud finder, metal detector, or electrical detector, and make sure there are no obstructions behind before making any cuts. Once confirmed it is safe to cut in this location, we can go ahead and make our cut using our cutting tool. Be careful not to force the tool too quickly through the wall, just in case there is anything further back in the wall that you haven't detected. Now we take our WP70, which is ready to install, and we pop the Slimline cover off so we can access the screw points. Now, place the WP70 in the cutout, gently pressing into the wall sheet, allowing the stabilizer fins to seat into the wall while ensuring the plate is still level. If you are fitting to a harder sheet surface, you may need to make small cuts to allow the stabilizer fins to seat properly and allow the plate to fit flush to the wall surface. Before fitting into the wall cutout, please ensure to feed your cables through the wall plate opening. Now, hold the unit in the location. Take your Phillips head screwdriver. Just give it a few winds anti-clockwise first to unwind and prepare the locking clip. Then wind it in the clockwise direction to seat the locking clip in position and secure the WP70 to the wall. Continue this step on the other fastening screw. Now, place the WP70's cover plate over the cable ends and clip securely into place. And that is it. The WP70 wall plate is now installed and secure, leaving a neat and tidy finish. For further information, please call us at 1-800-ARIEL or visit our website at www.matchmaster.com.au. Thanks for watching.
Get yours today at Sparky Direct.